Thanks for joining us on ISE Show TV. We're here at the NovaStar's stand. I'm here with Thibaut. Welcome.
Yes, thank you.
I wonder if you could, let's start with an easy one. What's on the stand this year?
Okay, so today on NovaStar's, this year on ISE, we want to show our new solution. So basically, we develop a new solution which is a 5G solution that lets you actually use less fiber and less cable wire on big installation for large screen or fine pitch, which reduce cost, which reduce time installation and latency, and give more accuracy on the installation. We also develop a APMX solution for the processor, and we have the whole renewal on the COEX fleet of LED processor.
Yeah. And looking at the European market on its own, where do you think the focus is for NovaStar going forward in that market?
The focusing is like, actually, we want to explore and give a solution to all range of event, virtual production, XR, and also fixed installation. We want to satisfy and be, on top of the technology for all different kind of market. So sometimes can be challenging, but we are listening to the feedback and input. And now I think we have some new solution really competing and fitting the need of all the different markets.
Sure. So a lot of some of the product innovation is based on kind of direct feedback you're getting from customers and end users, yeah?
Yes, yeah, true.
Okay. And final question, looking forward again, really, where would you say there's we can expect kind of technical innovations and the real kind of technological, like, forward thinking from NovaStar going forward? Where potentially could we see like improvements?
Okay, now we have the Infinity solution at NovaStar, which mean here we can see it's like a PWM and PAM. So like this, it's on a bit technical.
Yeah.
But what is it? We have some new driver IC and new solutions that can offer to reduce power consumption and giving more more resource to the chip to achieve more brightness, less latency, more grayscale, more contrast, more shutter solution. So it fits perfectly in the high-end solution display for all different kind of markets. Sometimes you have some medical rooms that need to be color accuracy. Sometimes you need also to have virtual production with a shutter very fine to make the thing happen. And now with this solution, we are really confident that it will be really top something really top, not on the market.
Yeah. Thibaut, lovely to talk to you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.